So if you don't have any budget to spend for advertising, put yourself in the shoes of someone who might be looking for your product. What would they type in Google to find you? So let's make Google our best business partner. Think of what comes naturally when you and your target customers want to search on Google. And here's the good news. You don't need to be a big business to hit first page ranking on Google. So you don't even need to spend a ton of money. So here are the basics of search engine marketing for you to stand above your competition. So first is write down a list of topics that are important to your business. Second, a list of words and phrases that connects to those topics will be your potential keywords. And third is we need a keyword tool that will show you search volume and competition. So we will use Keyword Planner. So this is a free tool from Google. You can just attract traffic organically. So no need for you to spend any money on this, okay? For example, if let's say your expertise is to train dogs, you will see here, dog trainer competition is medium. 100,000 to 1 million. So most of the time, they're quite difficult to rank for. Next is a medium tail keywords. So the sweet spot at 3 to 4 words. So let's just find an example here. So off-leash canine training. So the average monthly searches are 10,000 to 100,000. And you will see here the competition is low. These generally have a lower search volume than short tail keywords, but are easier to rank for. Like for example, in my case, I was able to rank on the first page of Google selling my online courses. So some keyword like this one is about consulting breakthrough simplified. So you will see here, this is my website. And if I scroll down, it is on the first page of Google. And here's my another example of long tail keyword, the breakthrough golden secret. So these are my affiliate partners' website. So promoting my product. And this is my website, Mybizbreakthroughs. And when you scroll down, this is my images positioned again on the first page of Google. So when used correctly, this can be a powerful weapon for your business to rank on the first page of Google. So remember, a keyword with a low search volume. This will help you to rank your business on the first page of Google easier. So Jankua here, your breakthrough guide to design your future.